Good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying the math classes. One thing I want to tell you, children, practice more. Do the sum again and again. It will make you perfect and increase your confidence. Okay, children? Children, our today's topic is LCM by prime factorization method. How to find prime LCM by prime factorization method. Follow these steps. Find the prime factorization of each number. This is our first step. We find the prime factorization of each number. Second step is identify the common factors. After getting prime factorization of each number, we identify the common factors and at last multiply the common factors and the extra factors to get LCM. Least common multiple. For example, find the LCM least common multiple of 12 and 20 by prime factorization method. Take the number 12, get the prime factorization of 12. 12 divided by 2 because 2 is first prime numbers and one factor of 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 2 6 are 12. Then again divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 divided by 3 because 3 is 1 prime numbers. 3 1s are 3. Now we get the 1, so we will stop dividing. Another number is 20. Prime factorization of 20. Divided by 2. 2 10s are 20. 10 divided by 2 because 2 is a factor of 10 and first prime number also. 2 5s are 10. 5 divided by 5. 5 is another prime number. 5 divided by 5, 1. 5 1s are 5. Again we stop dividing here because we get 1 at last. Now write the prime factorization of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. See here, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 20 is prime factorization of 20s. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Identify the common factor of both the number and keep it in box. Write here common factors. 2 into 2. And extra factors. See here 3 is extra factor and in this 5 is extra factors. So write 3 into 5 LCM. Multiply common factors 2 into 2. These are common factors. Into extra factors 3 into 5. These are extra factors. Mention here. So multiply all the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM is, write the answer, LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. Take another example from quick assessment. Page number 60. Question number 2. Find the LCM, least common multiple, of 18 and 48 by prime factorization method. Get the prime factorization of 18. 18 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 divided by another prime numbers 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 divided by 3. 1. 3 1s are 3. We'll stop dividing here. Another number is 48. 2 is one factor of 48 and first prime number also. So divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 48 divided by 2, 24. 24 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 12, 24. 12 divided by 2, 6. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 divided by 2, 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 is another prime number and factor of 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1. Here we again stop dividing because we get 1. Now write the prime factorization of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 3s are 18. Prime factorization of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See here how many times 2? The factor 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So write, identify. Next step is identify the common factors. Here in both the factors 3 is common. So write common factors. 2 and 3. 2 into 3 are common factors and extra factors. Write the extra factors. Here the extra is 3 and here 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Now to get the LCM, multiply the common factors. Common factors 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Common factors. Multiply extra factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are extra factors. Now multiply all the factors. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. 72 2s are 144. So write the answer. The LCM, least common multiple of 18 and 48 is 144.